Imagine this. You're in the middle of a construction project. You've poured your heart and soul into it, every brick laid with precision, every wall erected with care. But alas, upon final inspection, you find that the floor isn't level. This is a common issue many face during construction, and it can be a real headache to resolve. But do not despair. Today, we're going to explore the solution to this pesky problem, the water level pipe. Picture a scenario. You're building a house and you need to ensure the floor is level. You could use a spirit level, but for a more accurate result, consider employing a water level pipe. It's a simple, efficient tool that uses the power of gravitational force to determine levels. Here's what you'll need: a plastic tube, typically 6 mm in diameter, water, 2 buckets, and a marker. Firstly, prepare the setup. Secure both ends of the tubing, ensuring there's no leakage. Fill a bucket with water and use this to fill the tube, being careful to avoid air bubbles. Now, it's time to mark the reference points. As you move the ends of the tubing up and down, the water level should remain consistent. Place the ends of the tube at the points where you want to check the floor level and mark these points. To check the level, place the ends of the tubing on opposite sides of the floor and observe the water level. It should be the same at both ends. If it's not, there's unevenness in the floor. Using the markings, you can now determine the level of any point on the floor. If the level marks at both ends are the same, the floor is level. If not, the floor needs correction. By using a water level pipe, you can accurately check the levels of your floor and address any unevenness during construction or leveling. So, why not give it a shot in your next construction project? It could be the key to achieving that perfect level floor you've been striving for. Remember, a level floor is not just aesthetically pleasing, it's also crucial for the stability and longevity of your construction project. So equip yourself with the water level pipe and turn that uneven ground into a level playing field.